Article 252, Power of Parliament at request of states. Article 252 of the Indian Constitution empowers Parliament to legislate on state list subjects when two or more state legislatures voluntarily consent to such legislation. Conditions: if two or more states pass resolutions requesting Parliament to make law on a state subject. Once such resolutions are passed, Parliament acquires competence to legislate on that subject. Other states can adopt it later. Example: laws related to water disputes. Extent and applicability: the law applies only to the states that have passed the resolutions. Other states may adopt the law later by passing similar resolutions. After adoption, only Parliament can amend or repeal the law, not the states. Nature and significance: Article 252 is based on cooperative federalism. It is a voluntary transfer of legislative power from states to the Union. It promotes uniformity in laws where states desire common regulation. Examples: Prize Competitions Act, 1955, Wildlife Protection Act, 1972.